One of the special things about books of hours is how intimate the experience is of handling them, especially this one. Initially, we are confronted with a largish, dark leather box. Mysterious numbers 1460 and 1915 are engraved in gilt on the side. Pushing two little pins opens the box to reveal a magnificent book binding in green morocco, elaborately gilt and studded with jewels, turquoise, ruby, and amethyst. The page edges are gilt and the clasps studded with more jewels. Releasing the clasps opens it to reveal that it's not a book at all, but a container housing another book, a red velvet miniature manuscript nestled in a beige velvet bed. Releasing it by the silk cord, it fits neatly in the hand. The opening page reads, "A poor friend's gift from his scanty store, accepted gratefully." Miniatures of the Passion follow, executed in Paris by the master of Philippe of Guelders around 1500. Treasured in 1500, the diminutive manuscript was still treasured in 1915, when the famous binder Sangorsky constructed the presentation boxes, as it is treasured now.